Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bluetimes EZCAD tutorial series. In this lesson, we're diving into one of the most important parts of laser marking, parameter setup and tuning. We'll cover three key sections. 1. A breakdown of marking parameters, what speed, power, and frequency mean and how to fine-tune them. 2. Parameter examples for common materials. 3. The difference between deep engraving and surface marking. Let's get started. In EZCAD, there are three key parameters that directly affect your marking results. 1. Speed. Speed determines how fast the laser head moves. The faster the speed, the shallower the engraving, but you get higher efficiency. The slower the speed, the more energy is concentrated, resulting in deeper engraving. 2. Power determines the strength of the laser's energy output. Higher power, deeper and more pronounced engraving. Lower power, lighter and shallower engraving. 3. Frequency. The frequency refers to how many laser pulses are emitted per second. Higher frequency, smoother edges and a more continuous beam. Lower frequency, a more textured or grainy finish, great for creating rough or tactile effects. Here are some recommended parameter ranges for common materials. Wood. Speed, 600 to 1000 mm/s. Power, 40 to 60%. Frequency, 20 to 30 kHz. Metal. Speed, 200 to 500 mm/s. Power, 70 to 100%. Frequency, 30 to 50 kHz. Plastic. Speed, 800 to 1500 mm/s. Power, 20 to 40%. Frequency, 15 to 25 kHz. Leather. Speed, 600 to 800 mm/s. Power, 30 to 50%. Frequency, 20 to 25 kHz. Each material absorbs laser energy differently, so there's no one-size-fits-all setting. Always fine-tune your parameters based on the material's thickness, color, and surface texture for the best results. Let's take a look at the difference between surface marking and deep engraving. Surface marking focuses on speed and clarity. We usually use high speed, medium power, and medium frequency, perfect for marking logos, QR codes, or serial numbers. On the other hand, deep engraving aims for depth and texture. It gives a three-dimensional look and makes the mark more durable. To achieve that, we use low speed, high power, and slightly higher frequency, and you can repeat the process multiple times to add even more depth. All Bluetimes marking machines come with factory-optimized EZCAD software settings, making it easier for users to get the best engraving results right out of the box. Thanks for watching the Bluetimes EZCAD tutorial. In the next lesson, we'll dive into advanced practical functions and show you how to build your own parameter database. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more laser tech tips and tutorials from Bluetimes.